Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 15th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Star Sudoku, so three puzzles left. The binary, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. This one is a Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku number 9438. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24, yes, as usually. The 4 stars has 24 printed digits. Truly a 4-star Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. I see a lot of 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8s. Wow. Can I start with the 8? Yeah, no. Only one digit here. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. We have an 8 in the column next, no 8 there. So the 8 in the second row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now I cannot continue with 8. I need to wait. Right. 4, 4. Then, let me see. 6 in the last row. 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 in the middle column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 supposed to be there. 3, 3, okay. Then, I need a 9 here. 1, 9, and the 5. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. And this box cannot be a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. This box can be a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. So 9 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in the middle column for number 1. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Then for the 7. I need a 1 here. Need 6 there. 7 there. Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the fifth column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Well, we have a 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then, need a 4 here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. It means we have a 2 and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, okay. Need a 7 here also. And I need, 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 in this big square. So no 1 and 7 in these two boxes. 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in the second column. Sorry, in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Correction. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for number 1. 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. Well, need a 7 here, okay. Let me think. Need a 2 here. We have a pair, the 2 and 8 in the first column, the 2 and 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 numbers in the third column? For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there. 6, 6. 1, 1, 2, 3. Need a 5. Need a 9. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 159, 159, 159, and look, we have 1 and a 9 in this column. No 1 and a 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left now in this first column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. What are these 3 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Well, we have a 4 in this first row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. The 5 is missing, and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Now, let me see. How about Come on. This is taking too long. The 18. 6, 6. Come on. I'm stuck. 179. 179. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left 7. Could be here, could be there. So here we have a 7, here we have a 7. That means in the last column, the 7 should be one of those two boxes. Because in the last column, here can be 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. Only place level 7 should be there. 7. Okay, 1 and 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 3 and the 6, we have a 6 now in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. And we have a pair, I believe. The 6 and the 7 in the first row. The 6 and the 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left of the 6 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 and the 7, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 4, 4, okay. Then, let me think. 2 and the 8 here. 2 and the 9. Yeah. The 4 in this column, the 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 4. Then. Let me see. How about the 7s now? Nope. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. Need a 2 here, need a 2 there. Here. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column, so it'll come next. The only two places left on the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 1, oh wait, 1 and a 9, we already have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left with 1 should be there. And, oh, nope, we need a 1 there. Okay, cannot continue. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this row, second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. Then the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only two places left on the 9 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 9 and 7, 9 and 7. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next, so in that column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Two numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars. No, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise I will give this a 1 star. So, let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.